Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to quickly set a Casio Digital Watch with 3 buttons. We will call the right side button button A, the lower left button button B, and the upper right button button C. Press button B 3 times until the second starts blinking. Press button A to reset the second to 0. Press on button C and now press on button A to set the hour of your local time. Once you are done, press on button C one time and now press on button A to set the minutes of your local time. Press button C again and now press on button A to set the month. Press on button C again and now press on button A to set the date. Press on button C one time and now press on button A to set the day of the week. Press button C, then press button B to exit the settings. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.